This is gonna be loud. What?
Stand up for him or...
Let's easy keep starting. This place looks really cool. Don't do that.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. I'm just gonna record until it dies, and then I've got more batteries. Stop!
Do you have more batteries with you?
Yes.
In your pocket?
God.
In your pocket?
Yes, in my pocket.
Where?
No, the other one. No. Stop.
This one?
I already got attacked by a bug. I've only been here 5 minutes.
Watch out, this one's hurting you.
Where is it? Come pull that. What is that?
Go off the beaten path.
No! Wait, what is this?
Where you go?
What? Oh, why is it wet over here? Is it raining? You sure?
What? Don't tell me that what?
Sometimes when she texts me, I don't even know if it's meant for me because it's like I don't even know what she's saying, and it ends up being for me. Did you watch the whole cinnamon challenge I did with him?
Yeah.
At the end, I was like, oh, we're gonna have to do it again. I didn't record it. He's like, no.
Oh, look at the
What do you think we're doing? This is really cool. Looking.
cool.
That's your mom.
Funny.
Mom's with me looking. If you want a net, I can maybe wash it and put it up.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Man, let's get a four-wheeler.
Nick had one. He sold it for a dirt bike,
Yeah.
which I think he sold for gas money.
Yeah.
What? No, it wasn't.
Fireworks? That was. The red and then the... Whatever color in the back.
Where?
Tara took it.
I keep it.
This is perfect weather for...
I
What?
kick it up inside.
Where?
This is used for hunting. That's the hunting boys. And I will be cut out when hunting. Yeah. Hey, about to have it, son. That's where's the water bottle. I have mine. This here. Yes.
What are you doing? What is that?
No.
Whatever it is, if you find something, just put it in Taylor's pocket.
There's more.
We're gonna keep-
Get them off.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, you will get sweet. I've been there for nights. You've already get sweet.
Oh, why is...
There's
why is
another
it-
one.
We don't need more.
The yellow things.
There's like mosquitoes. This is great.
And also there's certainty because they're sprayed.
What?
And also there's certainty because they're sprayed.
Well, one just landed on my hand. So,
Well, now you're about to more flowers.
yeah. I think
Suck it.
he's gonna get bit. Quit doing that. It's the most annoying thing.
Do what?
Put your hand in front of the camera first. Stop.
Hey, look.
Your hand's already What is that? We don't need more.
We
Give it
do.
Give it to Taylor. He's carrying it all. We're busy. Yeah.
You better do that, I'm not. I'm walking in sunshine. What are you doing?
I don't know, but this battery's gonna die.
How many batteries do you have?
What?
How many batteries do you have?
I can't even hear you. Stupid bug. What'd you say?
How many batteries do you have?
Two more. So one more battery life.
Number 12.
No, one.
That's so boring.
You picked it. I wanted to go back on the one we were on and keep going, but
Let's go.
no, isn't this it? Aren't we just gonna go all the way around? Or are there multiple trees?
Let's do it now.
That's why I wore pants, and I told you to wear pants.
Here's our first.
Pants for people that don't want to get hurt.
Flower.
What?
Hunger Games.
What?
This is Hunger Games.
Does it?
Yeah.
How?
Dancing the...
Kind of. These bugs can just shut up. I need one of those chest camera holders. Let me just sit right here. You hot already?
Mm-hmm.
Why are you wearing two shirts but you're telling me you're not gonna wear pants because it's hot? And why is he going so far ahead? Slow down! What? Cuz!
Why?
Cuz! Stop. Stop. I'm not being mean, you are. You're hitting me. You're beating me. Abuse. See? Harassment.
No, 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 stop harassing me.
Okay. Hello?
No.
Never? I even what? Thank you. See, I just got bit by something.
My bird is green now.
That's gross. Ew.
Mm.
You're like a fruit. You want to go back home? You can go back home.
You go back home. I'll walk home.
What did you think this was going to be?
You drive home, I'll walk home.
What?
I'm drive home. And you walk.
I don't want you to.
No.
Unless you really want to, you can go if you want. And you're not walking, I'll just take you home if you want to go home. What?
It's coming in the winter.
What? We will.
It's not hot. It's going to be dry.
What? Oh, grasshopper. Another good reason for pants. What?
I thought he was you. But no.
He said he heard basically hooves walking.
What is he wearing?
I actually thought he was you too.
I don't know.